Hello, my name is Doug Line and I'm the manager of the ServiceNow development group here at OTEC, and we wanted to take a little bit of a deeper dive into tagging documents and how that might benefit you. We're going to show you how to tag documents from a list view, which we're looking at right here. We're going to show you how to tag a document from within the document itself in a form view, and some of the reasons why you might want to tag a document. Within each one of our groups within OTEC, there's obviously jargon that goes on, and we refer to things in one way or another, and there may not be a category or a subcategory that adequately reflects what we're trying to describe this problem as. And tagging is a great way for individuals and groups to be able to apply that language, manage the workflow and the items that they have assigned to them. So let's get started. I'm here in a list view. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to look down here to see, okay, is the tags column available? And it's not there yet. So I'm going to go up to the menu. I'm going to click on personalized list columns, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to find the tags column. So there it is. I select it, and then I'm going to move it up just after the caller, I think, and then I'll save that. My list is going to refresh, and here is the tags for all of these documents. This is the column. All right, and I'm going to go down a little bit further here, and I'm going to tag some of these. I know is an Ohio link, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to select a tag I've used before, which is Ohio link. Then I'll close this, and you can see it's saving the information there. I go a little bit further down here, and you know, this one has to do with our LDAP, and I've already used a tag called LDAP issues before, so it pops up. I use that, I close this, and I go, let's say the next three here. I want to show you another little trick that you can use in lists. You can modify multiple records all at the same time. So I'm going to select this first one, and then I'm on a PC, so I'm going to hold down the control key, and I'm going to select these next four records, and then I double click in there, called complete today. So I tag all those, and I close that, and you can see, you know, it saves everything. You can apply multiple tags also. I could, you know, apply the to do to this also. So I close that. It allows multiple people to describe work or put work in groups the way they want. This is how you do it in the list. So I'm going to open this up. This is in our form view, okay? And you're looking around, you're like, well, I don't see a tag available to me. What you have to do is click on this more options, click on add tag. I'm just going to type in again, and again, ServiceNow auto types for me. I type in LDAP, it goes, oh wait, hey, we've got this other LDAP tag you've already got. So I select that. Now this document is tagged. If I want to apply an additional tag, the tag of fresh, just so you can see, all right, I can create a new one from the form too. I save my record, and you might be saying to yourself, well, you know, this is all fine and dandy, but what good does this do for me? And what I want to show you is, if you go up into self-service and you go down to my tagged documents and you select that, hey, guess what? There's all of the documents that you have tagged already. If I go to the LDAP issues, these are all the incidents that are dealing with LDAP issues. If I go to the Ohio link, here's all 9 Ohio link. If you want to take a tag off of a particular document, all you have to do, click on that little X. It removes the tag from the document itself. The other thing, and this is where it gets really useful. Right now, I've showed you how to use tags yourselves. But what do you say we share this LDAP issue tag, not with just me, but my entire group? When I come down here, I go to my tags. The one I wanted to share was LDAP, right? So I go down and I find LDAP, and I want to share that with my group. It tells you, all right, who's the owner, what kind of tag is this? But if I change this viewable to groups and users, now you'll see there's two bucket lists, groups and users. You can identify individual groups So if I want my group to see it, and again, I'm just typing in and it knows, okay, yeah, there's that ServiceNow group. If I update that, as I go back down through here, now I've saved that and my group is able to see it. So anyone in my group who goes to their tagged work, what they're going to see now is a new tag that shows up there, and it's going to be that LDAP issue. That's the one that we just changed. So now everybody in my group is able to see that. If I wanted to share it with just a couple individuals, I could have selected a couple individuals. I hope that you found this useful and informative. I hope that you also get into our test instance and start playing around with Helsinki, letting us know what's working for you and what isn't working for you. Thank you all and have a great day. We hope that this has been informative and useful for you. We hope that you also get in and start testing in our test instance. Go in there, play around. You can't break anything, and let us know if things aren't working the way you expect. Thank you and have a great day.